I have this air conditioner remote. It turns on, it selects the function, but it is not communicating with indoor unit. Let's see how to fix it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe it. If you want to watch my videos in future, press bell notification for all so that you will be notified for my new uploads. Let's start. Model number YKR-T/011E. Cool, heat, on off, everything works fine. Turn on your mobile camera. Because it is IR light, it must provide red light here. Because it is infrared light, we cannot see with our normal eyes, so camera can detect infrared. If you have tester like this, FinRisi, I will set IR decoding. It is not detecting any code. That means processor is working good, but it is not transmitting the code. Let's open it and we will see how to fix it. Very first component to check, that is this IRED, infrared emitting diode, or we can say simply LED. Set multimeter to diodes. It is showing 1 volt drop. That means the IRED is looking good. Trace back. It is reaching to this transistor. This 2R0, 2 ohm resistor is open circuit. So this is our problem. Yes. I have 4.3 ohm and I have 2.2 ohm. I think 2.2 ohm is good. Or I can use two resistors 3.9 ohm in parallel, that is around 1.95. I think that will good. If I use two resistors in parallel, that will much better. 3.9 ohm two resistor in parallel or 4.3 ohm two resistor in parallel. 4.3 divided by 2, 2.15, and it will 1.95. If I will use this one, it will reduce the current in very little amount. So I think it will much better, although it will reduce the intensity of the IRED, so it will work. Let's try it. If you have exact 2 ohm, then you can use 2 ohm resistor. 6.2, 5.1, 5.1, 6.8, 4.3 ohm, 4R3. If you don't have SMD, then you can use regular resistors. Yes, 4R3. It is smaller in size. One ohm, 1 ohm. It is in series to the IRED. Now we have 1 ohm. Second resistor will be connected in this track in the same line. Here we have space, so we will fix it here. Perfect. We have two ohm resistor. Let's check it. Good. Perfect. Now it is working good. Yes. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.